Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a haul on all the things I'm going to use for my daughter's birthday. Her birthday's on the 12th, and then we're going to do her party on the 14th. Everything I bought is mostly from Target, from the dollar section, and also from Dollar Tree. So everything you're going to see is from there. Mama, yes. Yeah. I have a lot of that. Let me just show you the setup. So I have all of these bags. I'm gonna start off from Dollar Tree. So the first thing I got from Dollar Tree is this little hat. No! We're probably not gonna use it. She just grabbed it, she wanted it. And she was wearing it throughout the entire time at the store, so we got her that. She's not gonna wear it because I already have something for her to wear on her head. I probably have like 3 things, so I don't know. We also got this baby that we're also not gonna use. She just wanted the baby. Look, here's your baby. I have 4 of these happy birthday foil tiaras, Mama, but they're all in different colors. So I have Mama, silver, Mama, yes, open, blue, pink, trash, and gold. So I'm gonna leave these out on the tables for them if they want to wear it, and then I'm also gonna put it in the photo center where I'm gonna have like a little area for people to take pictures, so I use it as props if they want to use it to take pictures. So I have that. Throw that away. I have this happy birthday banner. I bought one last year from Target. It's the letters are in sparkly gold, and it has like the silver strings in the back. I'm also going to use that as well, but I also wanted another one that's a little more kid-like and girly. So I got that. I got these little napkins that I'm going to throw on the table. They're like Easter-like. Also, by the way, I did do another haul that another haul on my last video, the photo shoot video. There's some stuff that I did a haul on there that I'm also going to use for her birthday party. So if you want to see what else I got for her birthday party, you could go back and check that video out if you haven't already. Okay, so I have these gift bags that I'm going to use to do her what are they called? Like the gift bags, basically. So I have a pink one and have a purple one. I have 3 of each, and they come with 2, so 6. But I want to return one of the pink ones and one of the purple ones for white. That way I could have like 3 different colors: white, pink, and purple, instead of just pink and purple. Or I might just go buy them. They're $1. So there's that. And then stuff to put inside the party favor bags. I have candy that I'm going to use to put in there as well as I have these butterfly rings. There's pink, blue, and yellow. Yes. And then I have these rings as well. Mama. Okay, hold on. These are diamond rings. There's pink, purple, and blue. I have these happy face bracelets. There's blue, pink, and red. And I have these little, what are these? Unicorn ponies, or just ponies, and they're pink and purple. Mama. Yes. Those are not dinosaurs. Also from the Dollar Tree. I probably bought more than I need, but I got a lot. Mama. Yes. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 of these pink ones, but I'm not using these for the table. I'm using these for the walls, to cover up the walls in the garage, because there's a bunch of junk in the garage that I want to hide. So we're going to use that to cover the walls. And then I have 2 dark pink ones that I'm going to use for the table. I have another pink one, but this one has floral and stripes that I'm going to use for a table. And then I have another one similar but in blue, also for the tables. And then I have this one that's all floral and butterfly. I have 2 Play-Dohs, purple and orange. These are actually for her to play with.
Open.
Yes, I'm gonna open.
Open.
Mama's opening. Hold on.
Mama, open. Hello.
What do you say? Say please and thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
So those are actually for her to play with. And then she got this bummy with gumballs, which she's not allowed to have gum, so I have to hide this. 12 sets of bubbles. I have one with pink, yellow, and purple, and then I have one with blue, pink, and green. So we also have those. And those are going to be for the party favor bags as well. And then I have 3 of these vases that I'm going to use as the centerpiece. I'm going to put flowers in them. But I went to another store yesterday and I saw some flowers that are already in like a floral pot and stuff like that, and it looked really pretty, so I might just go with that instead and then use this for the dessert table and stuff like that instead. Now on to Target. The first thing I got is this crayon color pencil box thing. I got this actually because I went to Office Depot, and I'm gonna put these on a table for them to color. There's this one, and then I have this one, and I'm just gonna leave it on the table for whoever wants to color them. Then I got these gold fork, spoon, and knife that I'm gonna put on the tables. Then I have, I don't know what these are called, dollies. These white dollies that I'm gonna use to put all the plates underneath on the table. Can you see that? Oh, hope you can see that. And I'm just throwing everything into the hallway right there. And then I have these small little pink floral type plates. And then I have the darker pink ones, which I actually have to buy more of these, so hopefully Target still has them. And I got this little napkin that says let's brunch, and I actually got another one the other day, so I should have 2 of these. I have this little silver string backdrop type thing that I'm gonna use for people to take pictures with. You know, hang it up so that people can take pictures behind it, or in front of it, I mean. And then I have this balloon, what do you call this? I don't know, but the little balloon thing that I'm gonna use. And then I also got Sidewalk Chalk so that the kids can also play with chalk as well. And I have this. I'm not gonna say what it is because she's not paying attention and I don't want her to know what it is, because then she's gonna want to see it and play with it. But I got that because I have the little machine and we're gonna use that and have it going on. So my next Target bag.
Well, open.
You wanna open that one too?
Two.
You can't have enough with just one. You have to have both open. There you go.
Yes.
So I bought this little truck. It's so cute, and it says color bunnies on it on the side, but I'm gonna use it for decoration for her party. So let's just pretend it's not an Easter decoration. Then I got 2 of these tablecloths. They're like a light blue with pretty little polka dots on them, and these ones are like really thick for some reason. And then I got 3 frames that I'm gonna put her photo shoot pictures into. So I have this. Okay, so my battery died, so I had to change the battery really quickly. So hopefully this one doesn't die, because this one's kind of dead too. But as I was saying, I got these that I'm going to use her photo shoot pictures in. I have this one, and it has like little fringe on the top, and it's so pretty. And then I have this one. It's like brown with little white floral type around it. Can you see that? Yes. And then this white one that I really like. Let's see, can you see that? I'm trying to put it where you can see. Okay, there. Okay, so there's that. Next Target bag I have. I have this little light blue bowl that I'm probably just gonna put like candy in. I have 2 bags left. So here's the second to last. Here I have some photo prop stuff, and it comes with all of these little ones right here. So I have to make a wish, the sunglasses, the little hat, and then this one that says, what does it say? Time to party. See that? Time to party. And then I have another one that's more girly like, and it says hip hip hooray. There's the cake, there's the pink glasses, and it says yay, like that. And then this is not for the party, but it matches one of the frames that I got, and I'm gonna put this on my bed. It's like this, or maybe I'll just keep it for her bed. It has little things, whatever they're called. I'm probably gonna put this for her bed or her playroom or whatever, I don't know. And then also for me, not for her party, is this table runner. I love this kind of color, and it has the little strings also. And then I got another one that's similar to the pillow in the frame again. So it's like this. It's really pretty. And the last bag. This is the last bag. And I'm also going to be using a lot of stuff from last year as well. So, you know, we got to recycle that stuff. So I got this pink light thing that I don't know where I'm gonna put this. I probably won't even use it, I don't know. So I have that. And then I have, this is like similar to the pillow and stuff too. This little banner thing, like this. And then it's supposed to look like that. Don't know where I'm gonna put that. And then yeah, see, I had another one that's like this, but I don't think she's gonna use this one either, which, well, that's such a mess over there. And then I got these little party hats that I'm gonna put some on the table, and then some where the pictures will be taken at. I got these little mini popcorn boxes that I'm not gonna put popcorn in. We're probably gonna use it for what's it called, like to put candy in or something. I don't know, maybe I will put popcorn in them, we'll see. And then yeah, I did get the other one, another napkin, and I have this napkin, the floral one. I think I only have one of this one. And then I have this little banner. It's pink, gold, and like blue. And then I have this number 2. I wanted it in gold, but they didn't have gold. They had silver, so let's just use silver. It's fine. And then we have these little pastel cake toppers that have like a little gold on them. There's like pink, like a dark pink, a light purple, and a light like teal color kind of, that I'm gonna use to put on top of the cupcakes. Bye. I have 4 of these, and I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do with these. I bought them thinking I was gonna use them for the centerpieces, but I have no idea what I'm gonna do with these. So. And then I have this little garden water thing, and it says grow laughter with little florals on it. See that? I'm trying to show you, but the light's so bright. But I'm gonna put her, like, the picture props and stuff in here, and then put on the table for next to where the pictures are gonna be taken. And then, like I said, you know how I said that I went to the store yesterday and I saw those flowers that were in a pot? It was like a pot like this, but smaller, and the flowers were in there, and they had different kinds, and it just looked beautiful, and I thought it would go perfect with her theme. And lastly, I have these little, they're like ornament. I guess they're ornaments. I don't know what they are. They're cake time gift topper. They're a gift topper, but I was gonna put sticks behind them and use them also as props as well. So I have this one, this pink one that says party, and it's like pink and glittery. And then I have this little cupcake one, and then I have this one that says eat more cake, and it has like little polka dots around it. Can you see that? Yeah, polka dots. And then I have this one that says a cake time, and it's so cute, and the cake has also polka dots as well. I was looking everywhere for this because I knew I bought this, so this is also gonna be on top of her cake. So that is everything that I'm gonna use for her birthday party. So if you want to see how I decorate her birthday party is in a week. A week and a couple of days, so it's coming by really fast. So I'm stressing out because I gotta wake up very early, get the cake, get some food, decorate everything. So I have to be up early. Last year I was up at like 3 in the morning in the backyard decorating the tent and everywhere, and I was exhausted. But yeah, so that's everything. So if you want to see how I decorate, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, that way you can see her birthday party, how it came out. And then also I'm gonna post up her photo shoot pictures as well, so don't miss that if you want to see that as well. So until next time, guys, I will see you later. Bye. Say bye. Say love you. Say I love you. 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 No? No? Okay. Bye, guys.